somebody say they don't snore. Well, I have receipts. Check it out, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna go with me and we're gonna see if this is snoring or not. Maybe it's not.